Hello everyone, split your hair vertically into two sections front or back and grab the top section of it, split them into three parts and have it braided with strands of hair going between the braids gap, then braid as normal as you do later on. Do the same braiding on the right side, then fold the braid to half and move it to the center at the bottom. Side the side section of the hair followed with a section of the hair at the back, make a ponytail and have a thin strip of the ponytail from the bottom, make it go to the top and split them into two using a hair loop, then split them each into three parts and have it braided with strands of hair going between the braids gap which we borrowed from the side section we said before, remember? Then do the braiding as normal as you do later on and combine both the braids behind the ponytail. Have a ponytail and have very beautiful hair cluster on top of it that has beautiful ribbons which has been already made to a bow tie and some few patterns and has suspended colorful ribbons onto it. Then split a ponytail into four parts depending on the number of ribbons we have and split each tail into two parts and have it braided along with each other and do the same braiding on all the tails. Once again, go for a ponytail, split the tail into two parts with the bottom one being thicker and have top on the rubber and the middle create loop and drop the tail into it. With the bottom tail we have split them into three parts and have it braided and combine with the first tail we had, then bend the tip over and stuff it inside the middle one and move the entire one to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairband through it and decorate with your favorite hairband on top of that. Split your tail into two parts with the bottom one being thicker and have top on the rubber and touch top middle part and create loop and drop the tail into it. Then have the entire back section come to the front and split them into two and have it combined behind the tail and have a rubber and touch the middle part of the remaining tail we have and have a loop and drop the tail into it. Make the entire loop come around the lump we created. Grab the left section of the hair, split them into three parts and have it braid until the bottom section and end with the rubber and do the same braiding on the right side. Combine both the braid with the rubber and move it to the top temporarily. Then grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber, have a rubber and touch top middle part of the tail and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail into the parent's loop making a lump and bring the braid back. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair, create a gap on it using your finger, drop the tail into it, make it go from bottom to top and have it come down, split them into two parts and have each into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the exact same braiding on the right side and after that combine both the braids together behind the back section with the rubber and decorate your hairpin. Grab the sides of the hair and have a loop on the right tail and make the left tail go over it and have it press down and cross the tails on the right side and move the right tail into the loop and have it come down and tighten it. Do the exact same pattern another time, then we are done. Leave the remaining hair as such. Make a bunch and have a rubber and touch top middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Then split the tail into two and have it to the top making a lump and secure it with the rubber and have another rubber attach the bottom middle part and one more at the top as well. Then create a loop and drop the tail into it. Make the entire loop come around the lump we created and split the tail into two and have it come down. Go for a ponytail and hold it on top and have a big black hairpin at the bottom of the ponytail and bring the tail back and have a rubber and touch the middle part and stuff the tail into it. Attach it to the last loop of the rubber band and push it even more further by dropping a little hairpin through it and decorate with your favorite hairpin underneath that. Go for the ponytail once again, split the tail into two and have it braided. Just you have to strap a little strip of the hair from either side of the tails we have. So this is how you should braid it. So braid it until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. Then fold the braid to half and move it to the top. Have it in place by dropping a big hair cluster onto it. Make a ponytail and split the tail into two parts and have it top by a rubber and touch top middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Then press the loop towards the top, making as a lump and have it secure with the rubber band. Then drop a little strip of the hair from the top section of the tail and make it go in the middle. And make a ponytail and cross the ribbons behind the ponytail and make it go to the front. Then bend the left ribbon and have the right ribbon on top of it and make it go into it and have a bow tie design. Thank you everyone for watching this video.